Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you guys how I did this quick, easy, and simple snake braid hairstyle, which is full cornrows. Keep on watching if you guys want to see how I did this really simple, easy hairstyle on my men's hair. So to start off the hairstyle, what I did first was to make a straight part down the center of his head, all the way down from the very front all the way to the back, just one straight part, which evenly divides both sides of his hair. And next what I do is I actually divide those two sections of his hair into 4 sections. So just making another even part all the way from the front of his head to the back of his hair so that we can make 4 even sections, which will help us be able to do 4 cornrows. And before I start braiding, I'm using my Felicia Leatherwood brush to brush out any kinks or naps that may be throughout the hair. And if that's all complete, we can begin with the cornrows. So, of course, we have to start off with parting. And because we're doing a snake braid, you'll see me making vertical parts in order to be able to make the braid go into a snake design. So here I just sectioned off one part of the hair. And now I'm going to cornrow that section that I just parted off. So I am neatly starting off the cornrow, and then once I am done braiding that section of hair, you will see me stop and pick up the comb and then create another vertical part. And then once that's complete, you will see me then grab the end of the first cornrow and begin to cornrow from that ending part, connecting that braid to the new parting section that I had just created. And this is exactly the technique on how you make the snake braid. And I'm just going to continue this technique all the way through his hair in all 4 sections. And right here, you see me doing exactly what I just explained. So I created that second parting section, and I'm going to start, cornrolling and connecting those sections. I am using some shine jam to slick down the hair, which overall will definitely help these cornrows turn out a lot more neater and slicker because the hair won't be so fuzzy because we did use the shine jam product throughout the braids. All materials that I use on this hairstyle will be linked in the description box. Even though I'm not showing everything in the video, I apologize, but I will link everything that I use on this hair in the description box. So if you want to get it, you can get it from your local beauty supply store or use the links that I provide down below to purchase the items if you want to use exactly what I use today. And already you can see here that the snake design has begun. So literally, you guys, I'm going to continue this same technique all the way through his hair, again, in all 4 sections. So I'm going to stop talking and repeating myself and just let you guys take a look and watch what I'm doing. If you guys have any questions, definitely put them down in the comment section. I will absolutely answer any and all questions that you guys have. And just in advance, I definitely want to thank you guys for watching my channel. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you that watch my channel. Please do your girl a favor and like and subscribe. Definitely subscribe to my channel. I appreciate each and every subscriber and visitors as well. So go ahead and continue to watch the video. As you can see already, the snake design is on and popping. So I will tap back in later on in the video, you guys. I've been watching you. Watching you. I've been watching you. I've been watching you.
watching you. West Coast, Leatherwood, West Coast, Leatherwood. Boy, I've been watching you.
All right now, so y'all see I had completed one full cornrow, one snake braid design. So I'm just tapping and showing you guys just little clips of me doing the second cornrow. I'm not going to bore you guys and show you how I did all full cornrows because the technique is basically the same. And as you see, you can kind of do additional like design part. And if you don't want to just be straight cornrows, you can do like little slants and things. It's just all contingent upon how you make those vertical parts in the head. What a second cornrow looks like is more horizontal parts, but y'all get exactly what I mean. The design is pretty cute. The design is really simple, but it definitely gives you like that old school Iverson type of like vibe as well. And I do like this hairstyle on children as well. It's definitely young boys. I think it's super duper cute on them. So just wanted to tap and show you guys we did it. The first cornrow is all complete, and your girl definitely did her thing. But I just wanted to let that video ride out and kind of just show you guys each and every step I did for the first time. Not going to do it again for the rest of the video. So I'm going to just show a few more clips, and I will check back in at the end of the video.
Boy, I've been watching you. Boy, I've been watching you.
Oh, y'all see it. We are all done. Now it's time to put some foaming mousse all over these braids so we can finesse them and get them looking all nice and sparkly and all nice and clean looking. So you can use any foaming mousse you have and you can just pour it all over the hair. You want to make sure you saturate all the braids, including the plaits at the end and in the back. So once that is complete, you will see me take a do-rag and cover his cornrows. And I do not have a hairdryer for him to sit under to dry the mousse. So I'm going to take my handy dandy blow dryer and just dry the hair, the cornrows down. Once all the mousse is settled and dry, you can take the do-rag off and your hairstyle is all complete. This looks very nice and very neat. The design is so fresh and so clean, in my opinion. Very, very easy hairstyle to do. Highly recommend it if you want something simple and fast to do. So I thank you guys for watching again. Please like and subscribe to my video. I definitely appreciate it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Be blessed and stay safe out there, y'all.